We are here today gathering at the northern entrance of Ramallah city, where tens of Palestinians are gathering to protest against the Israeli occupation and the war on Gaza. As you can see behind me, these Palestinians have been on confrontations with the Israeli army for hours now. This military base is believed to be the central leadership of Israeli forces in the West Bank. Israel continued its bombing campaign over Gaza with air raids in multiple locations today, while demonstrations are widespread across the West Bank.
اجينا هان كملاذ امن يعني انت هان مستشفى، ويعني لم تراعى حرمه مستشفى، ولم تراعى مصلى، هان في مصلى وهنا في كنيسه، ولم تراعى حرمه اطفال، ولم يراعى حرمه كبار في السن، ولم يراعى حرمه النساء. هل هذا الاهداف الذي اعلن عنها نتنياهو انه عندنا بنك اهدافك يا نتنياهو، بنك اهداف الاحتلال، اطفال صغار في السن، كبار في السن، نساء عزل جايين لمؤسسة مدنية، مؤسسة صحية، تضربهم بالطريقة زي هذه. يعني تخيل انت السيارات كلها تفحمها، فما بالك البني ادمين.
US President Joe Biden just finished a stamp visit to Israel. In the visit, he reaffirmed the US support to Israel during the ongoing conflict with Hamas, and accused Palestinian militants of conducting the explosion in a hospital in Gaza Strip on Tuesday night. At the request of Biden, Israel announced that it will allow some humanitarian aids into Gaza from Egypt, as long as the supplies do not reach to Hamas. It also demanded to allow visits by the Red Cross to the hostages being held by Hamas.
Egyptian President Sisi expressed on Wednesday Egypt's strong opposition to any attempts to relocate the Palestinians from their land to the Sinai Peninsula. On Wednesday, several countries in the Middle East, including Egypt, Jordan, Lebanon, Iran, and Turkey, saw large-scale demonstrations in solidarity with the Palestinian people, demanding an immediate end to Israel's airstrikes and blockade of the Gaza Strip.